Hi guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today is a very important topic. I'm going to jump straight into the point. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do citations and referencing using Microsoft Word. So if you are a master's, PhD or a bachelor student, you might have to do your referencing for your thesis or the citations or your project, which is very important because referencing can take a lot of time and you cannot spend too many time doing referencing because you need to spend productive time on your actual project. So if you're using an external software or you're doing it manually, your referencing and citations, this is going to take a lot of time. So today I'm going to show you guys to make your life easy. Using Microsoft Word, you can auto-generate your referencing, in-text, both in-text and everything. Very simple. So let me get started. For this purpose of tutorial, I'm using two paragraphs, right, which I have taken it from this journal. So I will be using this journal as a guideline to take you through referencing in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Right. So these are two sentences which I have paraphrased myself, right, for the purpose of the example. So I'm going to show you how to do an in-text referencing, right? So we're going to place the cursor at the end of the paragraph and we're going to hit on insert citations, and then we're going to add new source, right? Add new source, right? And we're going to get all the details from this journal. The type of the source is not a newspaper, not a report, it's a journal article, right? We're going to put journal article, and then the name of the title of the article. Let me find the title. Yeah, this is the title of the journal, right? Funai Journal of Accounting, right? And the name, so this is the title. I made a mistake. This is the title, and the name of the journal is Funai Journal of Accounting, right? And the author, there's about 3 authors, right? You can easily add all 3 authors. Just put the author here, and we're going to put go here, and then we're going to add the second author. Very simple, guys. You can add how many ever authors you want. The third author, right? Done. All 3 authors, you have done it here. And the year, you can find it on the journal, 2017. And the page number, I have taken it from number 1. Volume, it should say volume number 1. And the issue, it says issue is 1. Right. And when you hit OK, it's going to auto-generate your in-text referencing. This is your in-text referencing. Very simple. Right. And I'm going to show you how to get the bibliography, right? It's very simple. Just go to references, hit on bibliography and references. This is going to give you the bibliography for this one, right? Simple as that, right? So let's do an in-text referencing for this as well, right? I'm just going to do it on my own. Very simple. Just going to put some add new source. I'm just going to put author as YouTube. Simple. And this is coming from, yeah, journal article title. I'm going to say YouTube videos, and then journal name YouTube journals. Year is 2023, page number 1, volume number 1, issue is 1, and author is YouTube creator, and we're going to hit OK. So this, as you see, this also has created the in-text referencing. And then if you want to update your references here, you don't have to do it manually. You just all you have to do is hit on this tab, and this is going to update. Once you click here with your mouse cursor, this is going to update your references list. And simple as that. So you can do the same steps as I showed you for many paragraphs you want, 10 to 20, 30, 40. It depends on your assignment. So you can do this and repeat it and update your reference list just by clicking it here, and then it's all good to go. So this is a very simple step to do referencing, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this video finds it useful for you. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and click that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos, and you'll be notified when I upload next time. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again.